guys, need to show in this video about how to do exterior plywood CDX and Tyvek here, Tyvek and tape, clips and washer. You can see here that's the exterior done, and over there there's a glass, the purple, okay, and here you can see framing. Here diamond board, you can see pressure treated 2x8 and metal stud framing done, and here same thing, metal stud all the way up to the ceiling, some of them like 10 foot high. Okay guys, you can see electrical work. This kind of box is good because there's a support. Okay guys, here you can see the support for the exterior heavy gauge, 6 inches metal stud. You can see support. That's a structural drawing. Here how to tie pipes, and here you can see plastic and tape. We put 57 stone, okay, ready to pour. Here we have 6 inches blackboard. At the top there's a white zip. You can see it's a flush with the existing slab. And here that's the elevation for concrete everywhere. You can see tape. And here that's the trench drain. It is set before we pour concrete, set to the elevation, okay. And you can see that's the finish, the choke line, that's the finished concrete work. You can see there's a pin here. You can see that's finished concrete work. You can see we have rebars here. That is turned down slab. Okay guys, and then we'll put diamond there and there. Okay, that's about slab work. Here framing, duct work, you know. They cover it with the plastic. They cover it with plastic and tape after they install it with R8. You can see here with R8, and then they cover it with the plastic and tape to protect it. You can see everything is covered to protect it. Okay guys, here you can see more framing. Here everything is covered. You can see here that's mason work. Here angle 2x3 both sides, and here hard channel 3 inches. You can see around the opening all the way up, because here we'll cover it with the sheetrock. Okay guys, here you can see plumbing work, 2 inches of insulation, that is steel. Ladder here, you can see handle. Here we will pour concrete later. You can see here there's a Z channel, because we'll put that plywood, put it here, the plywood here, the forms, 2 inches of form. Here you can see the elevation. We run a string from here to there, so that is the top of the concrete. You can see all the way up. Make sure it is correct to elevation. We raise it up before we pour concrete. You can see the string. Okay, so we need to, so here they cut it. We need to raise it up, make sure everything is pair. That's the string. Here you can see blackboard all the way up, blackboard. That's the blackboard, that's the white strip. Here you can see blackboard for slab work. Okay, and then here, same thing here, you have Z channel. So we'll put the foam here, like 2 inches rigid insulation foam here. That's temporary support for window for mason work. And here you can see the mason work, no need to do joint, a grout for joint, because everything is covered. Yeah, this wall will be exposed, so we did the grout. Okay guys, you can see that we will be ready to do slab work here. So that's the foam here, we'll put it here at that Z channel. Okay, here we have Dingy glass on this side. You can see metal. Here you have support, because you have metal door opening, and here you have like header, you know, heavy gauge header above big opening. And here you have the sheathing. You can see here sheathing. Okay, and then we will do caulking for the seam and the screw, and do damp proofing. And here, that's another, here you can see slab work. Okay, here you can see the string, yeah, runs string from that corner to that corner, you know. Make sure it is line up and level. Everything is good, everything is done perfect. Okay guys, here you can see, and it's still metal door frame, have opening. Yeah, that is R10 per drawing. Okay guys, this video about slab work, framing, block, electrical, plumbing, mechanical. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe. I will upload more videos. The duct cover. Here's slab work, and that the support, each 4 foot the support for the exterior metal stud walls, each 4 foot for heavy gauge. Please subscribe and like. I will upload more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.